In today's video, I'm going to show you how to film a shot from a minifigure's point of view.
Lights, camera, and Lego.
So, if you are ever running out of ideas for different camera angles to use in your stop motions, you can use an angle called point of view, POV. You may have seen this kind of shot in other stop motions. So how do you film this? Well, first, make sure that you have a fairly large set to work with. I'll be using this set for today. For this, I won't be using a tripod for the camera. This is because I want the camera to get in close. When you start taking photos, it is handy to turn on the grid to make sure everything is level since you're not using a tripod. I am just going to film this person running up to another guy and then he punches him. When he is walking, make sure the camera bobs up and down while still moving the camera forward. You can also move the set backwards, it doesn't matter as long as it's the most convenient way for you. So now, here's a time lapse of me taking some photos. Now that the person has walked a couple of steps, I'm going to animate his hand, punching him. Grab an arm off a minifigure, then get something that will support it, such as putty, Lego bricks, etc. If your fingers don't get in the way when filming this, you can still use your hands, but it may be a bit fiddly. So start by easing in the arm into the scene while he's still walking. Make sure to use easing in and out to make this movement smooth. So here's a short time lapse of me finishing off the scene. Once I finished filming, I put the photos into iMovie. The original film looked very bumpy, so then I applied the stabilization shaky video to 7%, and this was the difference. Here is the end result. I think it looks really good. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and if you want to see a specific type of tutorial, suggest it in the comments. And I will see you all next time. Bye!
Like and subscribe or watch another video.